Mr. Kid.
Hey, Chapel kids! When we last left Mr. Ken, he had a great attitude and realized that even though it wasn't easy, when you're camping, you make sacrifices. Well, he's made those sacrifices all right. And let me tell you something. When you're camping in the summer, the sun sets really late. So even though the sun had not yet set, Mr. Ken was finally able to set up his tent and was just about to fall asleep when he heard a noise outside his tent. What in the world could it be? Well, let's check him out on episode number 4 with Camping with Mr. Ken.
Man, what is that noise that I keep hearing? There's definitely something going on out here, and I don't know. I mean, I'm out here in the middle of the woods, and there's all sorts of noises and sounds, and what is going on? Man, what is that sound? Oh man, I don't know what is going on out here. I gotta figure out what this is. Oh, here's where that sound was coming from. Is that Nick and Ada Buto from the Chapel Nordonia?
It's us!
So what are you guys doing out here in the middle of the night that I'm wearing my sunglasses in?
Well, Ken, we love to worship God's creation. When we come out here into God's creation, it's hard not to worship the one who created it.
So what is worship?
It's singing praises to God.
Oh, I like to sing. Can I join you?
We'd be offended if you didn't. Anyone can worship God.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
What song should we sing, Ken?
Well, I know a song.
What song is it?
Philippians 1:6. I am sure of this, that he who began a good work in you is bringing to completion at the day of Jesus Christ.
That he who began a good work in you will bring it to completion at the day of Jesus Christ.
And after a great night of worship with his new friends, Mr. Ken finally went back to his tent and dozed off for a good night of sleep. What new adventure would be awaiting him in the morning? Find out next week on the next episode of Camping with Mr. Ken. And now, here's this week's top secret phrase.
To completion at the day of Jesus Christ. Philippians 1 verse 6.
Who began a good work in you will bring it to completion at the day of Jesus Christ. He who began. We're done.